Hey guys, I'm Kevin Vaughn and I'd like to take a couple minutes to show you the new OSE PlotWave 300. This is OSE's newest design as far as their wide format multifunction toner type systems, and this is a great little box. I say little, it's kind of a relative term, I understand that, but when you think about some of the older wide format systems, they actually had multiple pieces of gear. You'd have a printer, you'd have a separate system controller, perhaps even a scanner. And if you take a look at this device, this is actually all wrapped up into one nice, simple little package for you. We have a two-row print engine here. The system controller is actually embedded and resides in the side of the system. And this on top is a CIS type technology color scanner. We can talk a little bit more about the technical aspects of scanning later on. But let me go ahead and show you some of the other key features right now of the OSE PlotWave 300. We'll start talking about the PlotWave 300 right here. This is the user interface panel. It's located right on top of the unit. It's a scroll and click type interface, so it's very intuitive, almost no learning curve to learn how to use the PlotWave 300. And you'll basically see three commands here. We have copy, scan, and print. And with each of these commands, you can actually press the button and get into it. Well, we don't have any set up there. We get back into copy. Okay, there you go. You have a list of templates that are pre-set up in the machine. They're user customizable, so if you have something specific like color scan at high quality or a 50% copy job, we can make those changes where they show up and you won't have to interact with it any more than selecting the template, pressing the green button, and you're on your way. You know, if you've seen some videos from some older OSE systems where we talked about changing the paper and how easy it was, you're going to be blown away by this because this is almost a completely automated process. About the only manual aspect to it anymore is that you actually just have to put the roll of paper in the machine. The PlotWave 300 handles the rest. Let me show you how it works. Pull out the paper drawer. You'll see that you have two rolls in tandem. This is roll 1, this is roll 2. If you want to remove the paper, you just roll it back and take it away. You can change the paper size if you like. You can run anything from, I think, 8.5 inch up to 36 inch media in this machine. But to load the paper, I'm just going to draw the paper up till it comes in contact with the sensor. It's going to take it, and then it's going to open a wizard here on the control panel. Now that we've finished physically putting the paper back into the system, it's time to go through the display panel. As you can see, it's automatically displayed the fact that 36 inch paper is loaded in the machine. It detected that on its own. So all you have to do now is select the finish button. It goes back to the default menu and you're ready to print. A really cool feature to the OSE PlotWave 300 is the fact that they've married a 36 inch color scanner to the top of the system, which, by the way, the PlotWave 300 is a fully concurrent operating system, which means that it can do multiple functions at one time. So if you have several people printing to the machine, somebody else can be standing up making copies or scanning jobs in, and you can have all those functions going at the same time. But the scanner is located on top of the system. It's a 36 inch color scanner. It's a CIS technology, which stands for Contact Imaging Sensor. In other words, it doesn't have any cameras. It's an array of fiber optic lenses. And it's because of that technology that you can have such a low profile on the scanner and have a small footprint to fit it on top of the engine. But it works very nice with the system. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what the OSE PlotWave 300 can do. We'll send some files and also make some copies so you can see how the machine works while both processes are going on at the same time. Alright, I've just submitted a print job. It's actually going through the login user panel that you access the PlotWave directly across your network. While that job's getting spooled up, I'm going to make a copy. Just have a demo plan. This is one of the internal plots from one of the other OSE machines. But I have the ability to do both functions at the same time. I've inserted the original. The scanner is going to take it for just a short length, measure the width, Does that automatically. Select the number of copies that you want to make, or if any attributes you want to apply to that. If you want to make it half size, do a reversed image. You have the ability to do that from one of the templates first off, but then you can actually go in and make customizations as you want to. If you don't need to make any transformations, perfect. All you need to do is hit the green button. It'll take the scanned image through the scanner, and the copy will come out the top with the other drawings. So there you have it, the OSE PlotWave 300. It is a 2-roll toner LED wide format system with an integrated color scanner. Great for your office if you have a small construction office. Single footprint design, fits in nicely. Think about it for your next upgrade. I'm Kevin Vaughn. Thanks for checking it out.